Click on the link below to get price. The Hoffman H2OMITTER Thermoelectric Dehumidifier is an impressive addition to any home, especially for those residing in humid climates. With a sleek, compact design, it fits seamlessly into various spaces without being obtrusive. Weighing only 2.3 pounds, it's lightweight and portable, making it easy to move from room to room as needed. One of the standout features of the H2OMITTER is its thermoelectric operation, which translates to quiet performance. Unlike traditional dehumidifiers that can be loud and disruptive, this model operates almost silently, allowing you to enjoy a peaceful environment while it works efficiently to reduce humidity levels. This is particularly advantageous for use in bedrooms, offices, or any other space where noise can be a concern. The performance of the H2OMITTER is noteworthy. It can effectively remove up to 10 ounces of moisture from the air per day, which is impressive given its size. The built-in 16-ounce water tank is easy to access and empty, with an automatic shut-off feature that kicks in when the tank is full. This ensures that you won't have to worry about water overflow, providing added peace of mind. While the thermoelectric aspect contributes to its quiet operation, it also means that the dehumidifier is not as powerful as larger units. It is best suited for small to medium-sized rooms, making it ideal for bathrooms, closets, or laundry rooms. Users have reported noticeable improvements in air quality and comfort, reducing issues like mold and musty odors. In terms of energy efficiency, the Hoffman H2OMITTER stands out. It consumes less electricity compared to traditional compressor-based dehumidifiers, which can lead to lower utility bills over time. Overall, the Hoffman H2OMITTER Thermoelectric Dehumidifier is a reliable, efficient choice for anyone seeking to combat humidity in smaller spaces. Its performance, quiet operation, and energy efficiency make it a worthwhile investment for maintaining a healthier indoor environment.